guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sana Mehrotra. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, अब तक तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि what I am going to do in this video. Yes, I am going to create a Durga Pooja inspired makeup look for you guys. So this is the look that I have created. So if you guys are interested in this makeup tutorial, then let's get into the video. So guys, I have already prepped my face. So let me quickly tell you what all products I have used for my skin preparation. So I have used this Pond's Light Moisturizer and this Maybelline Babylips Lip Balm for hydrating my skin and lips. Then if we talk about Durga Pooja look, then your skin needs to be very illuminating and shining from within. So for that glow, I am using this Colorbar Spotless Illuminating Lotion, and I'll take one pump of this. This is a very good illuminating lotion. Guys, moving forward with the makeup, I am going to use this Maybelline foundation. I'm in the shade Ivory. I'm using this beauty blender to blend this. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the base for now and I'll be doing eye makeup first. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Sivana palette. So guys, I'm done with filling both the eyebrows. Now I'll take my concealer और मैं अपने eyebrows को conceal कर लूँगी so that ये और भी ज़्यादा beautiful और clean लगे. Guys, for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette. और मैं इसमें से गोल्डन शेड लेकर के ये वाला और अपनी आईलिड पे अप्लाई कर लूंगी. Now guys, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty palette और मैं इसमें से ये पिंक शेड लेकर के और अपनी क्रीज एरिया पे इसको स्मच कर लूंगी. So guys, to give a bit more depth to my eyes, I'm using this brown shade और मैं इसको अपने outer corner पे ही restricted रखूंगी. Now for my base, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer और मैं इसे अपने अंडर आई पे, नोज पे, अपनी जॉ लाइन के चीक बोन के नीचे, ऑन माई चिन एंड ऑन माई फोरहेड, इस पे मैं कंसील कर लेती हूँ. Now after that, I'm using my all-time favorite Fit Me Compact in the shade Natural Buff. For contouring, I'm using a angular brush and this Sugar Contour palette in the shade Top Topper. The contouring brings instantly a lot of difference on your face. Now you can see कुछ colors हैं आपके चेहरे पे. Guys, for blush I am using this Nykaa Get Cheeky Duo blush palette and this fluffy brush. For highlighting my face, I am using this Malaio Instant Glow Shimmer Brick. Guys, for eyeliner, I am using this Maybelline Colossal Bold liner. Guys, for kajal, I'm using this NY Bay kajal. I'm taking a smudger brush and I'll smudge this kajal. For mascara, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Colossal. For eyes, I'm using the same shimmer brick और मैं इससे अपने inner corners को highlight कर लूँगी. And my eyebrow bones. Pallate. For lipstick, I'm using Sugar Ferry Berry, the same lipstick that I used in Navratri look. For setting my makeup in place, I am using this Colorbar Stay the Day Finishing Mist. So guys, my makeup is done. I'm going to quickly accessorize myself and then I'll show you guys in a minute or two. Guys, I'm back. I've fully accessorized myself. So this is the new choker. अभी मैंने recently purchase किया है, कल ही delivery आई थी. And I thought why not, I should try this in this makeup look. So कहाँ से लिया है, कितने amount का है, you'll get to see in next haul. So I wore this beautiful choker set, this ring, this is from my mom's collection, and her bangles, and even her nose pin. So this is a swastik nose pin, if you can see. So yeah, this is all about my Durga Pooja Bengali look. I hope कि मैं थोड़ा बहुत similar लग रही हूँ Bengalis के. So yeah, this is the look. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope कि आप लोगों को ये look पसंद आया होगा. So if you like the look, do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, और भी makeup videos आने वाले हैं इस series में. So stay tuned for it. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and your family too. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.